We got that 355 upside there on Tesla. Upside on Qs and SPY. Nvidia's falling right now. Nvidia is gonna do something to the market after hours.
You want to swing something?
Nah. Nah. You are right. Wow, 354 hit and then dropped. Qs is falling, SPY's coming up. Wow, no correlation there at all. Qs is falling, jeez. We can't be in this range though. We gotta get out of this. If it wants to fall, come all the way down to 567. Oh my gosh, Tesla's fucking running again. Yo, this tape is crazy on Tesla. 355. I can't take it like this though. It needs a reaction up there. I got the 355 calls ready to go. 360 got double the volume though. 360 is what I'm gonna take. Just can't break like this. Needs a reaction. 360 calls. SPY is getting up there as well. $2 away there on SPY. Potential anticipation of that 646 upside. Because we got that pre-market reaction at 646. If we get 646 into all-time highs, just all-time highs is going to be so hard. That's why I really don't want to anticipate all-time highs unless it really looks so nice. Nvidia's falling. Tesla's reacting in the middle, like 354. Qs is trying to come up a little bit. SPY is definitely stronger than Qs right now. Tesla is stuck. Red to green almost on SPY and Qs. Nvidia has made a low day. Tesla's kind of stuck. If this goes red to green on Tesla, I'm not taking it. It needs a reaction up there. Not like in the middle. It looks too just like back and forth. Tape speeding up there on Tesla. Q's at high day almost. SPY just made a new high. Look at the daily on Tesla. It's just starting to slow down. We'll see what we get here with this 355. Hopefully just like a nice break. What's today, Wednesday? Contract should move a little bit. Red to green on Tesla. New low on the video. SPY is trying to hold. Q is also trying to hold. Red to green there on Tesla. Just gonna try and go for 355. $355 is trying to break. 50 cents away. Q's and SPY are just chilling. These wicks are killing Tesla. Holded. Nvidia is trying to like bounce here a little bit. These wicks need to stop though here on the highs.
Yeah, and the 5 looks blank right now.
Yeah, it does. That 5 minute went. Highs about to hit on Qs and SPY. Nvidia is still holding. Oh my gosh, it breaks like this. It's gonna be so weird with these wicks. Like, look how unconfident these buyers are. I don't want it just to go out of nowhere either. Q's is running. SPY is running. A little bit. Yep. Wow, Q's is really running now. I mean, Q's we got like $2 away. SPY is $2 away as well. And we got news at 10:30. GDP tomorrow. Nvidia earnings after hours today. Tesla's still trying to hold. Nvidia's trying to hold. Every time these buyers come up, they can bring them right back down. Like, sellers just kill them. It's not strong. It's not as high probability either. For some reason, these sellers really just want to take this down. City's walls. 100,000 wall. At 355.
For 355.
Yeah. The bigger wall at 360. I mean, that's a nice level too. 360. That's what I have marked out. Tesla might just try and go for it here. Q's trying to bounce. Spy's trying to bounce. Spy's been holding. Wow. Like, yeah, you can't just get in out of nowhere like that. Absolutely not. Yup. W no fucking fake out.
Oh,
Yeah. See, like, you can't just get in like that. And people are like, oh, how do you not get faked out? Why? Like, why would you? Why? You can't, bro. We already had signs of the previous price action showing how, like, back and forth it is. And then you're just going to chase a random green candle. It's like your friend benching 315 out of nowhere. Like, no, it's not how that shit works, bro. You can't go from 135 to 315. It's the same thing that just happened on Tesla. You can't just go from, like, okay, price action to boom. Like, no, it goes right back down. You would have chased it. You would have got, like, filled at the highs, and then you'd been down 20%, and then you'd be in my DMs like, how do you not get faked out? Bro, we just walked you through that, how to not get faked out.
It's too fast. Couldn't even time that.
Out of nowhere, it was too fast. The entry would have been late. The price action was showing that it wasn't, like, good enough. We literally said, like, these buyers are not strong enough. These sellers keep bringing them down. Like, they're not confident. I can't take it like this. And then, boom, it just jumped out of nowhere? Absolutely not. Can't take it like... Nobody could do that live, though. That's the thing. They'll just get faked out. That's the thing. Like, I don't care. People could try and copy me. Like, bro, people copy me all the time. Like, people could try and copy, but they can't replicate. It's the same thing with this. You can't. Damn, W no fake out. Bro, those contracts would have got killed probably. Spy and Q's are just chilling right now. Bro, no way another fucking slow day. That would be insane. But that's the thing. It's like, all right, if we don't take paper cuts, if we don't take losses for no reason, like, it won't compound into our winners, and it will allow our winners to compound. Like, if you took paper cuts every single day this week, like, imagine. It just really starts adding to your losses and really starts taking away from your profits. And doesn't allow your winners to really compound. That's why we literally say, take the best, leave the rest. And it works. The lesson tomorrow is literally on that. Like, you guys are going to see. I literally posted on my story. I don't know if you guys see my Instagram. I had a $28,000 example and a $433,000 example. Both compounded after 120 trades. One had a 50% win rate and one had a 60% win rate with exactly how we trade. Like, that is a huge difference. It was a 1,400% difference in profits, even though it was only a 10% difference in a win rate. Because one didn't allow the losers to compound as much, and the other had a lot more losers compounding off each other, which didn't allow your winners to compound as much, which made it only 28K. Even Umar and wow. I was going to say Umar and Kumar. Even Umar and Carmine took a couple L's this week.
You were gonna say Umar Kumar?
Yeah. Now you're back. Yeah, I would not take 355 right now. Like, 355 would have to be another day. Like, no way the price action will look good enough for us to be able to take it. Nvidia's falling right now. Q's, look at Q's, barcoding again. But then people are like, yo, like, you know, the market's so slow, I'm just going to give up on trading, or I'm going to, like, switch strategies. And it's like, bro, you guys have seen we fucking killed August. Like, let there be a slow week. Like, there's a higher probability that the next week is going to be nicer anyway. Like, we've absolutely killed August. I don't care if we have a slow week. Like, it's fine. Just move on to the next day and keep it pushing. You don't see me like, oh my gosh, this sucks. Like, it does. It's super slow, but I'm not like trying to force a trade or I'm trying to switch strategies or something like that. No. Last couple of weeks were pretty good. This is probably just another cool off period. Yeah, like the market is not the same every single day. We can kill it for like a month straight, and then 1 week could be super slow. And especially with the circumstances, GDP tomorrow, NVIDIA earnings after hours, we also had a huge run up on Friday. Like, market's probably just chilling here, all-time highs. This area is just, slow and steady. There's nothing to force, right? Why were you gonna force something? We wait for the best, leave the rest. We're not gonna get overthinking and in our head like, yo, it's a strategy, or oh my gosh, the market's cooked forever, or is it because every time at the end of August, and was 2024 like this in August of the end of, like, no. I hate that question. Every day is different, bro. Today is not gonna be the same as last August. Like, relax. It's healthy to have a slow week. Actually, at this point, we breaking all-time highs. We were literally breaking all-time highs every day. Like, it felt like. That's literally what it was. Leonard's mental is so strong. How long it take you to get this way? Bro, it's just built up over years, honestly. Like, it just gets stronger and stronger. It gets to a point where you just get immune to everything. It literally just gets built up. But I was not born with it. I was not born with it. I used to suck at risk management. I would hold my, I would hold my losers until the end of the day. Like, you guys know. Or I'll, revenge trade. Or I'll trade 3 different times in a 5-minute period and still lose all 3. Even though they're all different sides. But you gotta have a strong mental. It's because, you've seen it all. The people that have been around the longest are the people that have seen, everything. So it's I'm just speaking from experience. It's all right, a slow week. We've seen so many fucking slow weeks in my time. And then I know what happens after that. It's really nice after, and then it goes back to being slow, and then it's really nice after, and then... So, yeah, it's literally just, there's nothing to get emotional about, because I already know, what's going to happen, basically.
Bro, look at that negative correlation, bro. SPY's at high days, broke low day.
Bro, this is insane, bro. That Leonard was probably D1 crash out? Oh my gosh, yeah. You know how many times I wanted to break my monitors? Yeah, literally what? SPY's at highs. Q's at lows. Tesla dropped there. NVIDIA is at lows as well. NVIDIA just broke 180 downside. And it's also just there's no point of risking on, terrible days, right? We're trading actual capital here. There's no point of risking money for no reason. People treat their capital like they got an unlimited amount. It's kind of crazy. Why would you want to be risking? What is Tesla doing? There's just no point of risking it on a day like today. Literally look at any of my YouTube videos and look at the trades that I take that are nice, and then compare it to today. I can't take this on a $2 drop. Look, W, no fake out again. Bro, it's extended, so you can't take it. 1 + 1 = 2. There's no reason to get emotional. But people didn't take a trade so far this week, or they take paper cuts, and then they're yo, I gotta force a trade, and then they take a trade right there, and then they lost. And then they're gonna be in my DMs yo, how do you not get paper cuts? You know how to not get paper cuts. You just can't control yourself enough. You know it's extended. All right, don't take it. Price action was slow. Okay, don't take it. It just flashed up. Okay, don't take it. Who cares if you didn't take a trade this week? The market don't care. Every day is a new day. Market don't care if you're 0 for 10. It's not going to owe you shit. It's not going to give you anything. You just got to listen to the market and react how you're supposed to react. Yeah, Tesla is cooked today. Like, literally, what is it doing? Yo, Q's at lows, SPY at lows, Tesla at lows, and then somehow NVIDIA's up there, or SPY's up there. What is holding SPY?
No, lately it's been like that.
Yeah, for some reason SPY's been holding. Actually insane. Yeah, but a lot of people don't have that discipline. Bro, it's just chilling here. We're like $1 away here on SPY from that 646. A lot of people are like trigger happy as well. They'll just like click their mouse whenever for no reason. Like, I think it's honestly more impressive when you don't get faked out live than pretty much anything else. Like, literally showing exactly how we trade live. Like, people can't do it. Or people don't say it as it's happening. They'll say it after and then be like, oh yeah, I didn't get in anything. Yeah, that was too slow. But then in reality, they actually did. And they don't show it. Like, no one does it live, like how we do it. Yeah, dude, that looks like Donnie's. Where you get that? Bro has one for every time. Look at that bounce off 350. What do we say pre-market? Anyone remember what we said pre-market at that 350 area? Can anyone tell me? Half you guys can't, though, because half of you guys woke up a fucking right as the market open and think that you're going to become profitable. So what do the half of the chat remember that I said about 350? You anticipated it as a bounce area. Big old bounce area. Everything is off probabilities and stats. Like, bro, there's a high chance that it's just going to start, like, chilling here, bouncing at this area. And I said I really needed to see sellers to really come in there at 350 or else I can't take it because it's just a strong area for a bounce. And then it bounced. And plus, it was extended coming down to that 350. So strong support there at 350. Like, it's just not, like, sellers would really need to start coming in. Tesla's off my list for today. Like, it's killed 355 and then it killed 350. It's like, all right, I don't care if this drops.